The power of Mother Nature. The ravages of Father Time. Neither for the weak or the unprepared. In business, only the strong survive. So too must their products.
So no matter what the weather, Tedlar is designed to stand the test of time. And it does this because it's incredibly inert. It's resistant to acids and bases and salty air. And it's also incredibly flexible. So you can bend it without it cracking and exposing a substrate. That makes it extremely useful in harsh environments like outdoors, by the coast, in the tropics, in the desert, or even in industrial areas where it will protect substrates and look good for decades.
Dupont Tedlar is a polyvinyl fluoride, or a PVF film, that has a long history in a host of applications. That includes aircraft interiors, but also anti-graffiti signage, transportation, solar panels, and building construction, interiors and exteriors. It essentially provides an impermeable barrier of protection against UV rays, against corrosion, saltwater buildup, graffiti, whatever it is that those surfaces come across in their lifetime. It resists mold and mildew, it has excellent fire and smoke ratings, so it's a very safe and stable material that keeps things looking new for decades.
For more than 60 years, it's been the industrial go-to, offering superior surface protection to the world's leading industries. From NASA's Phoenix Mars lander mission to right here on Earth, aerospace, construction, signage, graphics, solar voltaic, and nearly every industry in between.
So we have many use cases for Tedlar around the world where it's really stood up for decades, north of 50 years. So we offer very long warranties, especially by the coast for building and construction applications. So we actually have sports domes in Saudi Arabia and desert climates. We have metal roofs and siding in Hilton Head in southern Florida where there's heavy corrosion, saltwater buildup, UV light. We have hospital interiors, hotel interiors in China, in the US, and other parts of the world that have heavy cleaning and heavy foot traffic. And we always say the most sustainable building is the one that already exists. So Tedlar is basically ensuring that you have less replacement, less material waste over the lifetime of a building.
Dupont Tedlar's Polyvinyl Fluoride. A rich history, a vibrant present, and a bright future.
Our brilliant DuPont scientists invented PVF resin in 1960, which we turned and cast it into a film. And the first use of Tedlar was in aircraft industry. Every time you fly on an airplane, Boeing or Airbus, when you're touching the sidewall, you're touching Tedlar. So it's a protective film. And since that day, it's early 1960s, we've been finding new uses of Tedlar. Right now, our growth focus is mostly in building and construction industry, metal roofing, outdoor facades, wall coverings, and we're tapping into new uses of Tedlar every day. We have a wide range of customers in building and construction industry who bring innovative solutions with Tedlar.
So we, U.S. Steel, discovered Dupont Tedlar at a trade event about a year ago, and started asking questions. What is the product? If it offers this, better performance compared to other coil coatings, then why isn't it on our metal? So here we are. Fast forward several months later, our customers are interested. We're still very interested. The market, we see a lot of potential in the market. So we like the concept and idea of a U.S. Steel corrosion-resistant product with Dupont Tedlar, mainly because both are 100% made in America.
Tedlar is used across all of our factories across the world. Tedlar adds a lot of value, both residential and commercial. Ever since the pandemic, it's really been used for hotels. It's used as durability, cleanability, especially when you get time to healthcare. There's a lot of different types of cleaners that are used, and Tedlar allows us to provide a very safe, durable, cleanable product.
So the best way to test our products is by working with customers to see them in action. We want to see our products in the worst environments. We also test our products by going into the lab and doing testing to make sure that they withstand the application. So So we can look at corrosion and chemical resistance and flexibility and UV durability to make sure that our products don't change and continue to look good for decades. So we have a global R&D organization with labs all over the world that allows us to partner with customers locally to develop the best possible products for any given application.
So many applications across a wide assortment of product categories.
We've been manufacturing Tedlar for over 60 years. Our supply chain is solely in the United States, from our monomer production, polymer production, through our film manufacturing facilities, and we're able to distribute to any customer around the world. At our manufacturing facilities, our #1 priority is safety. We want to make sure that people leave the plant the same way that they got here. We also have a very robust quality system to ensure that all of the films that we manufacture are meeting the needs and expectations that our customers have for any application that they need. At the plant, we have a high focus on quality and reliably supplying our customers. We also have a focus on sustainability, where we have several recycle streams within the plant that we try to recapture and recycle as much product as possible.
One of the greatest satisfactions that myself and my customer service team get from serving our customers is we are relationship builders. We have built wonderful relationships with our client base. We communicate with them sometimes daily, and our main goal is to service this customer. And our customers are located in Asia Pacific, North America, EMEA. And our main goal is to get them what they need, the Tedlar film that they've ordered, when they need it, how they need it, and most importantly, on time.
For business, industry, and home, discover how Tedlar adds years to the life of your products. Visit Tedlar.com. And for the latest in biz news and views, InsideTheBlueprint.com.